Let's make some sound effects. Let's make sound effects.
Welcome to
we probably come up with a name for this.
Cooking with the Kirks.
Cooking with the Kirks.
Cooking with the Kirks.
Alright. Today we will be trying to do...
Not trying, we're going to do it. Whether or not we succeed in it, we're going to do it.
A recipe from amandascookin.com. It's pumpkin hand pies. So that will be a fun way to kick off the Thanksgiving season. That would be the name.
We haven't made these before, so...
This is the first time I'm doing a recipe I pinned on Pinterest. Okay, so to kick it off, it says that we beat one egg. Oh, am I doing everything?
Oh, I thought you were...
Such a shocking.
Egg
is in, and...
Oh, I got the trash.
Cool. Oh yes, the most exciting job ever. So then we add the 1 cup pumpkin. Oh god. 1/4 cup sugar. And we mix it up. Mix it real good. So this will make the filling for for our hand pies. And then we just refrigerate and set aside.
Isn't there supposed to be cinnamon or something in it?
Oh, we'll get there.
No, in the filling.
Did I do this one?
Yeah, pumpkin spice.
Oh, hey, we should put pumpkin spice in.
And we need 1 teaspoon.
Alright.
Pumpkin spice. It's a good thing I'm here.
Oh, hey. Oh, it's shaped like a spoon. I probably should have put it in that way.
Oh, God.
Bam.
Right, now I'll stir again because I already stirred so well.
Okay, and now let's mix. We have our filling.
Now we have the filling.
So then next up, the pie crust. Now we were going for easy today. So first we're going to take a little bit of flour, which I probably just realized I could have put in something prettier. What's happening? And we decided this is going to be our
5
diameter.
inches, and we reckon
Well, on a different recipe it said about 5 inches. We are pie cutting a circle. Oh god. Ooh, that makes like a little outline. And then we cut it with the fancy doohickey.
we have some parchment paper on here. We're doing this in the dark? I didn't think so.
Break the fourth wall.
There. Yeah, already. I'll supervise. Go.
You gave up your privileges. I said you could cut, and now we're doing it Alyssa's way. Oh, look at that. Rolling pin. Now, I'm too tall. We take this, a dollop of goo, put it there.
Yeah, they just say a dollop, so.
And I fold it in half and take the fork. So we go 1, 2, ta-da, 1. Okay. And then we can wet the edge with the egg wash.
So we're gonna make an egg wash, right?
Yeah. One was on it.
There's nothing in today, right?
Yeah, just egg and we mix it up when we're done.
Swap it. And go over.
Next, we use 1 tablespoon turbinado sugar.
Alright, turbinado. Do we put cinnamon in that at all?
We do. Half a teaspoon sugar. I'm just kidding. Done. Then we mix it up.
Did you want to do one?
No, I'm good.
Alright.
I've done literally everything else. I can't believe you had me do something more. Alright, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Alright. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
Are you going in? Oh my god. Oh, I think I just spit. Now we're just go in the oven, and then we'll see them when we come out.
Cool. So we've made them, and fortunately, something came in
While they were baking.
and we got Mrs. Leahy's claws. What? We're very excited about these. Nom, 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 nom. They are also done. We got some whipped cream. They look pretty good.
And yes, the whipped cream, we're gonna try them.
And we'll do... Oh, we moved it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's fun. That's pretty good. remember to, oh man, tune in Tuesday. Check our Facebook and website. We will be releasing a teaser fact from the Divinicus Next Chronicles universe. We're going to be doing that more regular, and
Every Tuesday it's a new fun fact, right?
every Tuesday we'll post a fun fact. Make sure you guys voted for what we're going to make next time. Should we make an apple pie apple or the pecan pie bars? Make sure to cast your vote and tune in next time.
Friday.
And
2 weeks from
2 Fridays?
3 Fridays. So the fun facts come out Tuesdays, and the polls come out for what to do or cook on Thursday, and then Friday will be the video of whatever got picked earlier on. And we are taking, if you want to share your own recipes,
Yeah.
Claudia asked that, and we thought that was a great idea, and we will take recipes from foreign lands and we'll give it a whirl.
Also, we would love to see pictures of any of you guys who make these pictures or videos. Show us what you did. Did you guys make yours as pretty as ours? Tune in Tuesday and make sure to cast your vote. We'll see you guys
for our next time. Make sure to set your DVR. Catch Cooking with Kirks. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.